Welcome again, students. Dear students, we are discussing about the process of expansion of Indian states by the British Company. From the late 18th century, British Company wanted to destroy Maratha power. The Marathas empire was stretched from Peshawar in the north to Tamil Nadu in south and Odisha in the east, Gujarat in west. They established their capital Raigad, Jinji, Satara and Pune. So we have to discuss the next topic, war with the Marathas. Let's discuss war with the Marathas. In this context, the first question is mention about the third battle of Panipat in 1761. Dear students, the third battle of Panipat took place of 14th January 1761 at Panipat between Maratha Empire and the invading Afghan army of Ahmad Shah Abdali, supported by the three Indian allies, the Rohilla Nazibullah, Afghan of Doab region, and Shujaudollah, the Nawab of Awadh. Marathas could not win this battle and their dream of ruling from Delhi was shattered. Next question. Mention about the Marathas chief belonging to Marathas dynasty. Marathas chief belonging to dynasties were Sindhia, Holkar, Gaikwad and Bhosle. The third important question, who called Peshwas? Dear students, a Peshwa was a prime minister or principal minister of the Marathas empire. The Peshwas served as subordinates to the Chhatrapati or Maratha king. Later, they became the leaders of the Maratha alliance. Fourth question is, name two famous Maratha soldiers and statesmen. Answer is Mahadaji Sindhia and Nana Fadnavis. This is question number 5, not 4. This is question number 5. Question is, how did the British bring Marathas rulers under their control? Students, the British Company and the Marathas fought 3 wars during 1775 to 1819 AD. Finally, the Third Anglo-Marathas War destroyed the Marathas' power completely. Lord Hastings was Governor General of British India during Third Anglo-Maratha War? Territories of the Peshwa Bajirao II were annexed to the Bombay Presidency. The Peshwa surrendered and was permitted to reside at Bithur near Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. So students, I have discussed this topic, war with Marathas. So you have to note down all these important questions. Thank you so much.